Faith without works is dead. These words sit heavy. So much theologized theology, stated as if it should be prefaced by the phrase, honk if you believe. Works, guilt, obligation, doing the Christian thing, fear, feeling like I'm doing all the work, feeling like I can't do enough work, feeling peer pressured. You should do more. You should do less. What would Jesus do? Faith, believing in things unseen. I need to see it. I mean, really see it to believe. I've believed so long. Maybe I can't see the difference. I need to see it, to see Him again. Faith, works, faith, absolutes can be absolutely paralyzing. Justified, righteous, right? This is not about taking the high road or doing the right thing for a happy ending in a Lifetime original. This is an all-encompassing, gut-wrenching, compelling, at your core kind of faith. Continual. God. Faith is dead without action. Non-breathing, non-life-giving, non-moving. Non if it simply remains ours. Works are just works. Singular actions, no footing, lists with gold stars, all the platitudes in the world cannot make them be more. I can never have enough faith. Never. I can never have enough works. Never. Balance, amount, keeping track, these things don't matter. Focus on the integration. Faith and works. Faith plus works. Focus on life, the breathing and the giving. Focus on life, the believing and the seeing. Focus on life, the knowing and the doing. Focus on God. Now that I could honk for.